This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by anchoring your attention to the present. First, do the 5-4-3-2-1 sensory check and say each item aloud. This interrupts future loops. Once done, set a 5-minute timer and promise to only observe thoughts, not follow them. Make a short anchor phrase, now, not next, and repeat it when your mind drifts. This isn't passive, you are training noticing. Keep breathing steady and make the present moment the task at hand rather than a topic to solve. You now practice shifting rather than suppressing. When a future thought appears, label it, planning or worry, and spend 10-15 seconds noticing it. Once labeled, return to breathe counting. Inhale 4, hold 2, exhale 6, and repeat for about 6 cycles to reset arousal. Then, move to a focused micro-task for 7 to 10 minutes. A single small activity like sorting, writing 1 paragraph, or washing a dish to rebuild attention on present action. This trains the mind to choose where it goes. You finish by consolidating habits so they stick. Do a 2-minute body scan, observe sensations from head to toe, then write 1 sentence about what you noticed. This links awareness to memory. If you get stuck and ruminating returns, immediately shorten the micro-task to 3 minutes and repeat the label plus breath routine until momentum builds. Make a daily note of triggers and which anchors worked. Over time, you will see patterns and need the steps less. If panic rises, slow breaths and shorter steps win.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.